Advocate Duma Gideon Boko, President of the Republic of Botswana, former President Masisi, Vice President, senior officials from Botswana and Rwanda, members of the diplomatic corps, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My dear brother, President Boko, it is a pleasure to be here and to experience once again the generosity for which Botswana is well known. Our visit has been both productive and enjoyable, reflecting the ease and trust that exists between our two countries. Rwanda and Botswana relate so well because we have a similar outlook on governance. We believe that lasting progress requires leadership that is purposeful, accountable, and centered on the well-being of our people. This shared approach also shapes our broad aspirations for the continent. Africa is not short of talent or ideas. What it has lacked at times is alignment between vision and execution. Countries like ours can help bridge this gap by working more closely together and delivering results. At the end of the day, young people in Kigali, Gaborone, and elsewhere on the continent want the same thing: a fair chance to succeed and to move forward in life. It is our duty as leaders to create the conditions that make that possible. This is precisely what we are working towards and why visits like this matter. Mr. President, once again, we are delighted to be here, and we look forward to discovering more of what this incredible country has to offer. May I now invite you to raise a glass and join me for a toast. To the health of my brother, President Boko, and to the success and prosperity of the people of Botswana and the cooperation between our two countries, may I suggest a toast to you all. I thank you very much for your kind attention.